How to fix it when your headset and microphone aren't working on your Xbox Series S or X. So, the first thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller. And from here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to select audio and music. Now, if it's grayed out like this likely means your headset isn't plugged in all the way. So, make sure it's plugged in all the way into your controller or on your Xbox, and it should pop up and we should be able to adjust these settings. Now, while you're doing that, have a look at your headset and see if there's a volume dial or a mic mute button, because oftentimes people forget this and that could be causing your issue. So make sure headset mic is turned on, headset volume's turned up a decent amount, and headset chat mixer is somewhere in the middle, because if it's all the way over to this side, you're only going to hear the game. And if it's all the way over to this side, you're not going to hear the game. So once you've done that, mic monitoring is a great way to test your mic. Essentially, if you turn this up, you'll be able to hear feedback of yourself talking. So if you can hear yourself right now, that's probably a good sign. If not, we'll continue. So now we're going to go back. And from here, we're going to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then from general, we're going to scroll over and select volume and audio output. Now, if you're using a headset, the speaker audio above where we are right now, you can't change it. It's going to automatically switch to headset format. And as far as headset format goes, for most people, Windows Sonic for headphones or stereo uncompressed is going to be just fine. Common thing people forget to check is to go to online safety and family, go to privacy and online safety. Then we're going to go to Xbox privacy and go to view details and customize. So make sure it's on custom and then go to view details and customize. Then we're going to go to communication and multiplayer and make sure others can communicate with voice, text, or invites on Xbox is on friends at the very least or on everybody. Because if this is on block or on friends, you aren't going to be able to hear everyone and this could be your problem. Same thing goes with this one. If you're playing with people outside of Xbox, so people on PlayStation or PC, you want to make sure this is at least on in-game friends if you're friends with them or on everybody. So once you've done that, we're going to go back. And once we're in the settings, we're going to be going over and down to devices and connections, and we're going to select controllers and headsets. Now, once you're here, we're going to go to the three dots. And believe it or not, if your headset's not up to date, it can affect performance, such as the headset. So if it says no update available, great. That means your controller's up to date. If it's not, make sure to run this to update your controller. Now, once you've done that, we're going to go back. And from here, what we're going to be doing is actually booting up a game. So this is going to depend on the game, but you really want to make sure that the settings are correct on here, because this could just straight up be the settings in your game causing your issue. So voice chat methods on mute, or if we go to the volume chat, volume is just low, well, then that's going to be your issue, right? So make sure to have a look in game, since we've checked pretty much all the settings on the Xbox. And if you're still experiencing problems at this point, your headset could be broken. Now, I recommend trying a different controller. And if you don't have a different controller, use it on a different device in general, just to see if it's working. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.